Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today I am going to teach you some problems of exercise 10V of the topic percentage. So let us start question number 1. In question number 1, Rupesh secured 495 marks out of 750 in his annual examination. Find the percentage of marks obtained by him. So here find percentage marks. The percentage marks is equal to 495 upon 750. Convert into percentage, the multiply by 100 and put the sign of percentage. 0 0 cancel out. 15 5 ja 75, 2 5 ja 10. 15 से डिविजल 15 3 जा 45. Again 15 3 जा 45. Here 33 into 2%. We multiply both. 33 into 2 66%. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, the monthly salary of a typist is 15,625 rupees. If he gets an increase of 12%, find his new salary. The new salary is equal to, here first statement given, the monthly salary of a typist is 15,625. So write 15,625. Increase, they use the sign of plus. 15,625 of 12%. Is it clear? In second statement given, if he gets an increase of 12%, is equal to, write 15,625 plus 15,625, 12%. We can write 12 upon 100. Is it clear? 25 ja. Again here write 20. 5 3 ja 15. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. और 5 5 ja 25. We divide in both 5. Here divide 5, 20, we get 20. Also here divide 5, we get 3,125. Again divide 5 4 ja 20. Again 5 5 6 ja 30. 5 2 ja 10. 5 5 ja 25. Here 4 3 ja 12. So we can write 15,625 plus 625 into 3. So we multiply here. 3 5 ja 15, carry 1. 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7 और 3 6 ja 18. Add and we can write 5 plus 5 0, carry 1. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 7 10, carry 1. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 8 15, carry 1. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 1 7 1. The new salary 17,500. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, 36% of the maximum marks are required to pass a test. A student gets 123 marks and is declared failed by 39 marks. Find the maximum marks. The first of all, let maximum marks is equal to x. According to question, 36% of the maximum marks are required to pass a test. The x of 36%. The condition of pass the exam in test in percentage is equal to, in number given, 123 marks plus 39 marks. When any students we find the marks 123 plus 39, those type of students passed in the test. X into 36%, we can write 36 upon 100 is equal to 123 plus 39, we get 3 plus 9 12, carry 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6 1. By cross multiplication, x into 36 is equal to 162 into 100. So therefore x is equal to 162 into 100 upon 36. Is it clear? Is it clear? So here use 18 to ja 36, 52 ja 100, 18 9 ja 162, and we multiply 9 into 50, we get 450. So hence maximum marks in a test is equal to 450. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4, gunpowder contains 75% of nitrate and 10% of sulfur, and the rest of it is charcoal. Find the amount of charcoal in 8 kg of gunpowder. The amount of charcoal is equal to, here total given gunpowder 8 kilogram. Gunpowder contains 75% of nitrate and 10% of sulfur, and the rest of a charcoal. So in percentage complete 100, in 100 75% nitrate and given 10% sulfur. So we subtract remaining here charcoal, 8 kilogram. 100 minus 75, we get 25. 25 minus 10, we get 15%. The amount of charcoal in percentage contains 15%. In 8 kg, the 8 kg of 15%. 8 kg into 15%, right? 15 upon 100. Is it clear? 5 3 ja 15, 25 ja 50, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20 is equal to 3 2 ja 6 upon 5 kg. 6 by 5, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So here write 1000 gram. 200 into 5, we get 1000. 6 into 2, 12 put the double zero. So hence amount of charcoal is equal to 1200 gram. Write 1 kilogram 200 gram. This is required answer. Charcoal, spelling of charcoal, CHARCOAL. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 5. In question number 5, chalk contains 3% of carbon, 10% of calcium and 12% of oxygen. Find the amount in grams of each of these substances in 1 kg of chalk. The here percentage all given, not left here. So this is very simple question. First we find amount of carbon. Is equal to total substance 1 kilogram of carbon 3%. Write 3%. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 3% we can write 3 upon 100. 0 cancel out. 10 into 3 30 gram. Is it clear? Next, amount of calcium. In 1 kg of calcium given in percentage 10%. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 10% write 10 upon 100. 0 cancel out. 10 into 10 100 gram. Amount of oxygen given 1 kilogram of 12%. Is it clear? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 12% write 12 upon 100. 0 cancel out. 12 into 10 120 gram. So lastly we can find amount of carbon 30 gram, amount of calcium 100 gram and amount of oxygen 120 gram. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 6. In question number 6, Sonal went to a school for 219 days in a full year. If her attendance is 75%, find the number of days on which the school was open. So here first of all let number of days on which the school was open is equal to X days. Is it clear? According to question, Sonal went to a school for 219 days in a full year. If her attendance is 75%, the in percentage 75%, in numerals 219. The X of 75% is equal to 219 days. X into 75% means 75 upon 100 is equal to 219. By cross multiplication, X into 75 is equal to 219 into 100. So therefore X is equal to 219 into 100 upon 75. 25 3 ja 75, 25 4 ja 100. 3 7 ja 21, 3 3 ja 9. We multiply 73 into 4. 4 3 ja 12 carry 1. 4 7 ja 28 plus 1 29. hence number of days on which the school was open is equal to 292 days. Is it clear? I hope you will complete the exercise 10b with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.